And so first I have to show my driver's license. Don't write down the address, guys. Gotta show note cards. Okay. Here, I'll start the timer again. Okay, so everyone's muted right now, but I have with me Jacob Cox, the accomplice from school. I got Dan Haley, the old man from school. And I got Christopher Black, another accomplice from school. And Elena Hernandez Sandoval, who is my sister. So, let's get started. So, hello. My name is Cecilia Rosalie Hernandez Sandoval, and that name is a mouthful. And today I'm going to be presenting my speech for my Speech 101 class at Blackhawk, and it is the Getting to Know Me speech. So I was asked to bring or to present 3 items that could kind of serve as visual aids while I'm giving this speech. And my hopes was to have a physical softball, but I don't have a physical softball with me, and it's the middle of winter, so it's hard to find one. So I decided to pick a picture of a softball. My next one is my WIU polo that I'm wearing today, and the third one is a couple pictures of me with my grandma's. So the first one is a softball because I spent 12 years of my life playing softball, and I played other sports. I played volleyball, basketball, I did track and field, and I did flag football at one point, but softball was the one that just stuck with me the longest, and I think I got the most life lessons and skills out of it. And one of my biggest takeaways from it was the skill of teamwork. And it's important when you're playing softball, and it's important in other aspects of life as well. And I use it now in my work career because I work in a manufacturing environment. So when you're working with, people who are considered your team to solve problems, it could be, process engineering for me. It could be the design engineers. It could be people from my department or the production floor. But you have to be able to communicate effectively with everyone, recognize everyone's skills, and come together to just complete a common goal. So I would say that was one of the biggest skills I took from that, and that's why I'm just I'm thankful for the sport of softball. And I'm sure maybe I could have taken that skill from other aspects of life, but I was able to utilize it through that sport and get lots of practice with it. So the next one is my next item that I'm using is my WIU polo, and I use that because even though I'm a student for Blackhawk because of this class, I'm mainly a student at Western Illinois, and I major in engineering technology. But when I first got to Western, I was majoring in mechanical engineering. And for those of you who don't know the difference, mechanical engineering is a lot more of the theoretical side versus engineering technology, which is a lot more the hands-on side. And I don't know that without Western I would have found that major, and that I would have been on the path that I am now, which is, recognizing that I want to go to school and pursue a career in quality engineering and even move on to my graduate degree afterwards. And it's just been nice to be able to find my niche while studying at Western Illinois. So that's the biggest reason that I wear the Western Illinois polo today, because I'm just grateful that I was able to get the information that I did and kind of move along the path that I am. And so that's why I wear this today. My last one that I have is a couple of pictures of me with my grandmothers, and the picture on the left is my dad's mom, and the picture on the right is my mom's mom. And I show this today because for anyone who's close to me, they know that I'm super close with both my grandmas, and they've just been a huge part of my life ever since I was little, and they're just huge role models to me. They're strong, they're hardworking Mexican women, and I think when most people think about, maybe not, but just in general, when I think of it, and most people think about the strong, hardworking people in their family, they relate it to male figures. And while there are strong, hardworking, figures like that in my family, the ones I related to the most are the female figures, my grandmas. So, like I said, they've just been huge role models to me, and just kind of motivation for pursuing my career in quality engineering and uh, obtaining both my degrees. So I hope with going down that path that I'm making them proud. So that is all I have for the 3 items that I was presenting today. Just the softball, the polo, and the couple pictures that I have of my grandma's. So thank you for listening, and I appreciate your time. Hopefully you were able to get a little bit of information about myself through